today is an unboxing. I was on the Facebook marketplace and I found a good deal for this kind of generic action camera. It's called a Dragon Touch. A Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 3. And I wanted to do the unboxing in front of you. On the outside of the box it says it does a 16 megapixel 170 degree view. It's waterproof up to 90 feet down, and it has built-in Wi-Fi. And it says it does 4K 30 frames, 2.7K 30 frames, 1080p at 60 frames, and it has a 2-inch touchscreen LCD. So, at $15, I figured, how could I go wrong? Because, I need a decent camera for one of my drones anyway. Well, here, I'm going to unbox this thing right here and now. And here's what the camera looks like. And it looks like to the left, it has a HDMI to USB, or not, small HDMI to HDMI. So you can plug this thing into your TV, micro USB charger, a slot for an SD card, and it's about roughly 2 inches. That will fit on the gimbal of my drone. And we have lots of accessories. This is a strap and some stickies, lens cleaners. This is a watch. Looks like you can adjust it for your wrist. You can start the recording or stop the recording or take a picture. Let's see what else is in the box. We have this is the waterproof case. You stick the camera in the case and it locks down kind of like that inside the case. You take pictures. We have some more mounts with stickies on them. Let's see what else we have. All kinds of goodness coming out of the box here. We have another mount that this can mount to, like on a tripod. We have a clip. It looks like once this is in these clips, it can work with GoPro accessories also. Not for sure what that is, I'll just be quite honest. I'll have to find out what that is. That one too, there's just all kinds. There's another clip. All kinds of more accessories here. Different clips and mounts. I believe there was a mount in here. Oh, here it is. That you can put on your bicycle or whatnot. It's right there. And some more mounts. And the user's manual. And it says, we want to hear from you. Get free accessories. How to claim your free accessories. So we have that and the user's manual. And it tells us how to work the remote. Oh, it explains what each one of those mounts do. That's pretty cool. So I will know what it is. And anyways, guys, this has been the unboxing of Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 3. And I got it for $15. And it's not even scratched. And it does come on. There's nothing wrong with it. Let me show you how it comes on. Kind of like that. And it's set to 4K 30 frames a second. A good, perfect, inexpensive drone camera. It also came with 2 batteries. I've got those charging. And the batteries last probably about an hour a piece, they say. I will let you know an update on that if it doesn't. It does have Wi-Fi built in. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now, guys. So, Dragon Touch Vision 3.